Temperature has a direct impact on how workable and durable cold tar mix is during repairs. Cold tar mix firms up and loses pliability as temperatures drop, so start by choosing a dry day with ambient temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit when possible, and store the bag in a warm area or place it in direct sun for at least 30 minutes before opening to soften the material. When you open the bag, work quickly and keep a heat source nearby, such as warm water in a sealed container or warmed tools. Do not add solvents or gasoline to soften the mix because that weakens the binder and shortens the patch lifespan. For small potholes, use a tamper or the back of a heavy shovel to compact the material in thin layers, rather than trying to fill the hole in one pass, and press firmly to expel air voids and achieve interlock with the surrounding pavement. For large repairs, build up in 2 or 3 compacted lifts, allowing each lift to cold flow slightly under compaction so it bonds mechanically to the next layer. If ambient temperatures are just below optimal, preheating the aggregate by storing it in a garage or using heated tar that is manufactured for lower temperatures can improve adhesion. Always follow the product instructions for temperature range, because exceeding recommended warming methods can alter performance. Finally, after compaction, protect the patch from traffic and moisture for at least 24 hours when cool conditions prevail to let the binder achieve initial set and reduce the risk of raveling. Common problems include the mix being too stiff to shape, which you can address by increasing the bag warming time in the sun or moving the bag to a warmer indoor space before use so the binder softens naturally. Another issue is poor bonding or early disintegration when the existing pavement is wet or contaminated, so always clean and dry the repair area. Remove loose debris, and use a brush or compressed air to ensure a dry surface before placing the mix. A third frequent concern is inadequate compaction that leads to premature failure, and the fix is to compact in thin layers with firm, repeated tamping and to keep traffic off the patch until it firms up to avoid displacement. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for pavement and repair work, while we also give contractors a place to list services and connect with customers. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips on materials, techniques, and timing, so we can all learn from real experiences.